How did Cici feel yesterday? Pada unit 4 ini, tujuan pembelajarannya adalah adik-adik mampu berbicara menggunakan kata was dan were. Listen to the story, listen to your teacher's story and answer the questions. Dengarkan cerita dari gurumu dan jawablah pertanyaan. Nanti akan ada di bawah ya tulisan ceritanya, tapi kakak akan bacakan dahulu ya. Jadi adik-adik berlatih pendengaran ya. Practice your listening skills. Oke, gambar pertama ya. The first picture. Looking for Kimi. She is Cici and she has a cat. Her name is Kimi. Kimi is cute, but yesterday morning, Cici lost her cat. She was confused. She is Cici and she has a cat. Her name is Kimi. Kimi is cute, but yesterday morning, Cici lost her cat. She was confused. Artinya di sini, ini adalah Cici dan dia punya seekor kucing. Nama kucingnya adalah Kimi. Kimi ini lucu gitu ya. Tapi kemarin pagi ya, yesterday morning, kemarin pagi, Cici kehilangan kucingnya. She was confused. She was confused. Dia bingung, kebingungan gitu. Nah, lalu yang berikut. She tried to find it everywhere, in the house and yard. Kimi, Kimi, where are you? She said. But she couldn't find her. She decided to walk along the street. Nah, di sini artinya dia mencoba untuk menemukan kucingnya. Nah, it di sini kucingnya ya. Di mana-mana. Di rumah, di halaman, gitu ya. Kimi, Kimi, kamu di mana? Kemudian selanjutnya, but she couldn't find her. Artinya, tapi dia tidak bisa menemukan kucingnya. She decided to walk along the street. Dia memutuskan untuk ke jalan gitu ya, mencari kucingnya di jalan. She was very tired, so she stopped at the public garden. She sat on the grass sadly. A few moments later, she saw something moving among the flowers. She was curious, so she decided to check it. Nia, she was very tired. Dia sangat lelah. Jadi, so she stopped at the public garden. Dia beristirahat di taman gitu ya. She sat on the grass sadly. Dia duduk di rumput dengan sedih gitu. A few moments later, beberapa saat kemudian, she saw something moving among the flowers. Dia melihat sesuatu bergerak-gerak di antara bunga-bunga ini. She was curious. Dia penasaran. So, she decided to check it. Dia akhirnya memutuskan untuk melihat ada apa di situ. Okay, and then when she came near the flower bed, Hope, Kimi jumped at her. She felt so lucky and happy as she brought her cat home. When she came near the flower bed, Hope, Kimi jumped at her. She felt so lucky and happy as she brought her cat home. Ketika dia melihat atau mendekati hamparan bunga-bunga ini, tiba-tiba dia melompat gitu ya. Jadi Kimi jumped at her. Kimi melompat ke arah Cici. She felt so lucky. Dia merasa beruntung. Dia ini siapa? Dia Cici ya. She felt so lucky and happy as she brought her cat home. Dia senang, gembira, merasa beruntung ketika membawa pulang kucingnya. Oke, jadi di sini adik-adik bisa lihat banyak sekali kosakata dan juga penggunaan tadi ya was and were. Misalnya di sini she was confused. Terus di sini ada lagi she was very tired. Ya. Kemudian she was curious. Dan sebagainya. Nah, ini adik-adik perlu ingat kembali kata-kata kerjanya di sini menggunakan bentuk past ya, bentuk lampau. Misalnya di sini lost. Kemudian gambar kedua she decided, dari kata decide, memutuskan. She sat ini dari kata sit, duduk. She saw dari kata see, gitu ya, dan seterusnya. Nah, ini adik-adik harus cek kembali kosakata yang kemarin sudah dipelajari ya. Nah, selanjutnya kita lihat look and say. Look at the pictures and say the sentences. Okay. Joshua and Bagas were happy yesterday. Joshua and Bagas were happy yesterday. Oke, artinya ada di bawah. Bu Neneng was sad last night. Bu Neneng was sad last night. Joshua was thirsty an hour ago. Joshua was thirsty an hour ago. Pak Udin was angry at the cat last night. Pak Udin was angry at the cat last night. Cici was alone yesterday. Cici was alone yesterday. Joshua and his family were called yesterday. Joshua and his family were called yesterday. Aisha was hungry yesterday. Aisha was hungry yesterday. Cici was worried last night. Cici was worried last night. Joshua was sleepy last night. Joshua was sleepy last night. Nah, ini artinya bisa dibolak-balik ya. Cici was worried last night. Jadi last night-nya diartikan dalam bahasa Indonesia semalam atau tadi malam, di depan juga nggak apa-apa. Semalam Cici khawatir atau Cici khawatir tadi malam gitu. Joshua mengantuk tadi malam atau tadi malam Joshua mengantuk, sama aja. Oke?